How to set an alarm on your Android phone quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Clock app on your phone. If you don't see it on the home screen, you can find it in the app drawer or by searching for Clock. Next, tap the Alarm tab at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device. Now, tap the plus sign or Add Alarm button to create a new alarm. Select the hour and minute, then tap Save or Done. Also, you can customize your alarm by choosing a ringtone, enabling vibration, giving the alarm a label. Once you've finished, make sure the alarm switch is turned on. Your alarm is now set and will ring at the scheduled time. And that's it. That's how you can set an alarm on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.